An SSK, or slip-slip knit decrease, is a left-leaning decrease. I have here a piece of stockinette stitch. I'm going to knit the first stitch and put my decrease one stitch in from the edge. To do a slip-slip knit decrease, slip the first stitch knitwise, as if to knit, and off the needle, and then slip the next stitch knitwise and off the needle. What I'm doing is rearranging their orientation on the needles. Then I'm going to put my left needle tip into the fronts of those stitches together and knit them together through the back loop. You can see that by putting my left needle in through the front, it's the same as putting the back on the left needle and putting my right needle in through the back loop. Yarn over and knit two together through the back loop. That has created a left-leaning decrease. You'll be able to see that a little bit more when we do a few more rows. This time I'll do it holding the yarn in my right hand. I'll knit the first stitch, then do my SSK decrease. Slip one knitwise, slip the next one knitwise, insert the left needle into the fronts of the stitches, yarn over and knit them together through the back loops. And then I'll continue across the row. You can see I've got a series of decreases going now. You can really see that left-leaning slant of the stitches, but how do you remember that SSK is a left-leaning decrease? There's a really cool way to figure this out. Let's do another one and let me talk you through it. In any decrease, the first stitch that the right needle tip touches is going to be the one that ends up on top. In this case, when I slip this first stitch, that's the stitch that this needle tip is touching first in the decrease. That's going to end up on top. Let's see if that's true. Slip one, knit two together through the back loops, and look, that first stitch ended up on top. It leans to the left. That's how you can figure out which way it's going to lean. There's another left-leaning decrease called a slip knit pass, or SKP, which I'll show you in another video. If you'd like more knit instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for more ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.